Welcome to the Online Reseller's Guide, Shipping. If you are reselling on platforms such as Mercari, eBay, or Poshmark, we're here to help. You may have asked, how do I ship items? In this video, we will discuss what supplies you'll need, which shipping services to use, how to charge shipping, and how to package various items. Here are the main tools a reseller uses to ship items out. You will need a tape dispenser, scissors, a scale, printer, prep table, and packing supplies. You can print your labels on paper and tape it to the package, or you could purchase printer labels with adhesive. Sticker labels are very convenient when shipping many items at a time. Depending on which types of items you sell, packing supplies will vary. You can use poly mailers, boxes, shipping tape, bubble wrap, paper rolls, plastic wrap, and USPS priority boxes. There are a few different shipping companies with a variety of services. USPS, FedEx, UPS, and DHL can ship across the US. Some resellers even use a site called Pirate Ship to find the lowest rates for USPS and UPS. Poshmark charges the buyer $7.67 for shipping. They only use USPS priority mail. Please note, if an item weighing over 5 pounds is shipped, the additional cost will be charged to the seller. Ebay and Mercari let the seller decide if they want to offer free shipping or charge the buyer. We recommend USPS shipping for most items under 10 pounds. Their shipping rates are often cheaper than the other companies. FedEx and UPS have more competitive rates for large, heavy items and overnight shipping. The most frequently used services through USPS are First Class, Priority, Priority Flat Rate, and Medium Mail. Items that weigh less than a pound can be shipped first class and will be delivered in 1 to 5 days. Priority and Flat Rate take 1 to 3 days and work best for items over 1 pound. Medium Mail is strictly used for books, CDs, DVDs, and a few other items. This is delivered in 2 to 8 days. Estimating the shipping cost of an item will depend on its dimensions, weight, and distance traveled. Packages sent across multiple shipping zones or to locations like Alaska and Hawaii will have the highest shipping rates regardless of which company you choose. Resellers on eBay can use the shipping calculator to find estimates for their packages. When you purchase your shipping label on eBay, you will be charged the online rate. This shipping rate is slightly less than the retail rate charged at the post office. When you start listing online, you will have to decide who pays shipping. There are multiple options, but the types of items you sell should determine which strategy you will use. Items listed with free shipping will require the seller to pay shipping costs. This strategy can attract customers because it is more convenient for the buyer. Sellers should estimate the cost of shipping and adjust their price, or they could risk losing their profit on low-cost items. If the seller has the buyer pay shipping, they can set a price for their listing or use calculated shipping. When a buyer pays shipping, the money is transferred to the seller's bank account. The seller then uses those funds to pay for a shipping label online. If you don't charge enough, you will have to cover the difference. If you charge too much, buyers may ignore your listing, or you could end up making a little more profit. Setting a price for your items will depend on their weight. Option A works best for packages under 16 ounces, while Option B is better for anything over 1 pound. If you find this video useful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know which reseller tasks you would like to see in future videos. For resellers shipping items under 16 ounces, First Class USPS is the best value. Let's say that you are located in the state of Virginia. If you shipped all the way to California, here are the typical shipping rates based on weight. A package of 4 ounces is charged $5. A package at 15.9 ounces is charged up to $11.60. You could set your shipping costs to one price within this range to make sure you don't lose too much money when shipping long distance. You might be wondering why use a set price for shipping. This strategy encourages buyers furthest from you to buy your item at a fair price. It is easier for buyers to see the final costs, and sellers can list similar items faster. The cons to this strategy are that buyers closer to you don't want to pay more for shipping, so they may skip your item. You also might lose some money on heavy items shipped farther away. Items that weigh over a pound and fit in flat rate packages can also be given a set shipping price. The cost to ship priority flat rate will not change based on distance traveled in the US. You could charge a set price for all your listings that fit one of these boxes. Padded flat rate envelope can cost $7.52. A large flat rate box can cost up to $18.63. So why use priority flat rate? It is the cheapest option for heavy items, but it must fit in a flat rate package. Priority mail could cost more. Anything over 16 ounces or 1 pound will be charged a shipping rate for 2 pounds. It is essentially rounded up. For example, if you had a package that weighed 1 pound 1 ounce, it would be charged the 2 pound rate. If you had a package that weighed 2 pounds and 2 ounces, it would be charged the 3 pound rate. Another option is to charge the buyer using calculated shipping. For each listing, you would have to provide the package dimensions and weight. The distance from the buyer would be used by eBay to charge a custom shipping rate. In this example, you are shipping an item in a 9-ounce package from Virginia. A buyer in California would be charged $6.25, and a buyer in Massachusetts would be charged $5.90. Since eBay is calculating shipping costs based on distance, shipping costs would vary. Why do resellers use calculated shipping? This strategy allows buyers closer to you to pay less for shipping. You also won't lose money on heavy items shipped far away. This is the safest option for large, odd-shaped heavy items that don't fit in flat-rate packaging. The cons of this shipping strategy is that it discourages buyers furthest away from buying your item because of the high shipping costs. The seller also has to weigh and measure the package for each listing, which can be time-consuming. Now that you know what your options are for shipping services, we can discuss how to package your items. Breakable products need to be prepared for the worst-case scenario. Packages are moved on and off trucks and could be dropped or crushed. To prevent damage, you will need to pack well. Clothing and shoes are less fragile and can be packed in poly mailers, boxes, or flat-rate packages. Glass, ceramics, and other fragile objects need to be shipped in a box with packing material. Heavy items should also be sent in sturdy boxes or flat-rate boxes. Lightweight clothing can be folded or rolled and placed in a mailer for first-class shipping. There are several sizes available online for you to choose. Heavier clothing like jeans, hoodies, and sweaters can be mailed in flat-rate envelopes or padded envelopes. You can order these on the USPS website for free. Most shoes fit in priority boxes or flat-rate padded envelopes. High-top sneakers and boots fit best when they are placed in this layout. Priority boxes and flat-rate boxes are also free to order online with USPS. For fragile items, the best strategy is to choose a box that has 2 to 3 inches of space around all sides of the object. Use bubble wrap and fill the space with materials to hold it in place. This will cushion the item if it falls. Boxes can be filled with shredded paper, recycled paper, plastic bags, foam peanuts, bubble wrap, or sealed air pillows. Heavy, fragile items should be given an extra layer of protection by using the box-in-box strategy. Sellers who try to ship sets of glasses or plates are strongly encouraged to pack this way. Oddly shaped, fragile objects can be a challenge to ship, but resellers have learned to be creative. Pool noodles and other recycled materials can protect your item from damage. Food boxes and materials that have touched food should not be used as packaging. We also have how-to videos on getting started, sourcing, photographing, and listing. As always, we hope this information was useful to you. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting us know which item categories you would like to see in future videos. Thank you for watching!